Nayelle is scientifically formulated by our chief biochemist, utilizing scientifically proven, natural ingredients chosen to benefit the skin at a cellular level. Our uniquely selected 100% active ingredients such as goat milk kefir, sea kelp, glacial clay, snow mushroom replenish vital skin nutrients like collagen and elastin, resulting in radiant, youthful skin. Anti-aging components in our natural facial cleanser, Hydrate Day Cream and Rejuvenate Anti-Aging Night Cream are recommended to be used daily for best results. Use natural glacial clay mud mask once a week to complete the skincare regime. Nayelle's complete rejuvenating skincare set is packed with anti-aging components used to minimize fine lines, increase collagen and elastin, and reduce wrinkles. All skincare products, facial cleanser, daytime moisturizer, night cream, glacial clay face mask, are sourced, produced and manufactured in North America. All Nayelle anti-aging skincare products for youthful skin are paraben-free, fragrance-free and cruelty-free. Professional grade, 100% active ingredients. No fillers. Potent blend of vitamins, 60 minerals and antioxidants, heal skin and replenish collagen and elastin. Dermatologist trusted, clinically tested by dermatologists. Proven effective to cleanse, hydrate, reduce wrinkles, brighten, smooths, and even skin tone. Hydrates, detoxifies and revitalizes skin. -100% natural, pure and 100% chemical-free ingredients, no animal testing. No parabens. Chemical-free. Fragrance-free. Hypoallergenic. Treats all skin types, sensitive, combination, acne-prone and aging skin. Improve from daily use of Nayelle. Customized natural ingredients formulated to heal skin, probiotic milk peptides, sea kelp, snow mushroom, glacial clay, aloe vera extract and jojoba oil. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.